Ever feel like there are just too many security cameras around? Are these CCTV cameras just limited to surveillance and dissecting situations? With all these cameras around, keeping an eye on things is a real challenge. People watching all those CCTV feeds? Super tiring. But here's the cool part, video analytics swoops in like a superhero to save the day. It's like having a personal assistant for your cameras. Think of video analytics as super smart technology that turns regular old cameras into geniuses. They don't just record videos anymore, they actually understand what's happening and can help spot important stuff in real time, enhance security, and optimize operations. Dive into the future with edge computing, where processing happens at the source, ensuring speed, privacy, and efficiency. Elevate your analytics game with edge computing, where every frame counts. Let's explore the dynamic applications of video analytics. First up, meet ANPR, the superhero of license plate recognition. Imagine a seamless truck lifecycle monitoring where trucks are identified instantly as they roll in. Loading/unloading is supervised in real time to ensure timely operations. Truck cover or closure is verified for cargo protection, and exits are tracked for departure confirmation. No more manual checking or delays, just swift and precise recognition. Now, let's talk ergonomics detection. It's like having a personal ergonomic coach on the floor, ensuring your team stays comfortable and injury-free. As they say, happy workers, happy warehouse. No longer do we endure the days of laborious manual scanning. Video analytics-based barcode scanning ensures no more lost items, no more chaos. Just scan, find, and conquer your inventory with ease. Even inventory counting can be a headache, but not anymore. With video analytics-based inventory count feature, say goodbye to manual errors and hello to precision. Your stock has never been so on point. Material handling, a breeze with smart tech. Video analytics optimize material flow, ensuring that goods are transported swiftly and safely, minimizing bottlenecks and maximizing throughput. Intrusion detection, the guardian of your space. Keep your facility secure 24/7 with advanced intrusion detection. Any unauthorized access triggers instant alerts, allowing for swift response and safeguarding valuable assets. Safety first, always. Video analytics monitor machinery in real time, detecting any anomalies or potential hazards before accidents occur. Integrates with machines to stop immediately when safety risk is detected. Keeping your workforce safe and operations running smoothly. Ensure compliance with safety regulations effortlessly. Video analytics track employees' use of PPE in real time, ensuring everyone is properly equipped for the task at hand. In the world of warehousing and manufacturing, these applications aren't just features, they're effective tools for a smoother, safer, and more efficient operation. Embrace the future, where every frame brings insights, and every insight empowers progress. Harnessing the capabilities of artificial intelligence and machine learning, we process data collected from diverse image and video sources. Experience real-time alerts and actionable insights through interactive dashboards, paving the way for seamless process automation. Curious to explore how video analytics can elevate your projects? Reach out to us today for a deeper dive into the possibilities. Let's shape the future of together.